In this example, it says if the equation to the hyperbola is 3x squared minus 5xy minus 2y squared and so on, then the equation to the conjugate hyperbola is. So let us begin with the solution. We know that the equation of hyperbola and the equation of its asymptotes, they differ by a constant. So let us consider, let 3x square minus 5xy minus 2y square plus 5x plus 11y plus k equals to 0 represents the equation of its asymptotes. So basically, what we have done is we have only changed the constant. So if this equation represents asymptotes, now asymptotes basically is a pair of straight line. So it will represent a pair of straight line. And the condition for pair of straight lines is delta, which is given by A, H, G, H, B, F, G, F, C. This must be equal to 0. So if we put in the values of all these letters, we get delta is equal to determinant 3 minus 5 by 2, 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2, then we have so on. So if we simplify this equation, what do we get? We get minus 6k minus 363 over 4 minus 25 by 4k minus 275 over 8 minus 275 over 8 plus 25 by 2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation that we get. Now if we further simplify, we get 49k is equal to minus 363 minus 225, and this on simplification gives the value of k as minus 588 by 49, and this is equal to minus 12. So therefore, the equation of asymptotes become 3x square minus 5xy minus 2y square plus 5x plus 11y minus 12 equal to 0. Now we have the equation of asymptotes. So let us represent this equation by a letter A. Now we know the relation between the equation of a hyperbola, its conjugate, and the asymptotes. We know C plus H is equal to 2A. And if we look at both these two equations, now the variable part, that is term still here, they all remain common in the equation of conjugate hyperbola, in hyperbola, and asymptotes. And therefore, if we just equate the constants, so we can write C plus the constant for hyperbola is minus 8, and this is equals to 2 into minus 12. That is the constant we obtained here. And this gives us the value of C as minus 16. And therefore, the required equation of conjugate hyperbola is 3x squared minus 5xy minus 2y squared plus 5x plus 11y minus 16 equals to 0. And that, my dear students, is the answer. So if you look at the options, clearly in the first option, we have the constant minus 16, and therefore the first option is the correct choice. So that is all that we have in this video, students.